Hello and welcome to Tvaritam.AI. In this video, we will understand how we can implement a decision tree model in our platform. So once you are done with all the data loading and pre-processing steps, what we do is we go with the model architecture selection. In the model architecture selection tab, I will choose decision tree as my type of model, and we will go with a classification problem here as my target variable in this problem that I've taken is someone being diabetic or not. So when I click on apply, we move forward with data validation, and then we have the sampling strategies. So I'll go with the stratified sampling here is diabetic, and we will go with a 70, 15, 15 split. If you want to understand more about how sampling or how decision tree works, you can refer to the info section for the hyperparameters and sampling percentages. But if you want to understand more, you can also refer to the video and the user guide and get more details. Now moving forward, I will choose Gini index for my split criteria, and out of these hyperparameters that are optional, I will select maximum depth and I will choose 4, 8 and 20. So I have the liberty to go with multiple sets of hyperparameters. I will choose recall as my preferred metrics because I want to know how many diabetic people my model was able to track. That is more important. Then apply class weight. I can apply class weight in this scenario. Let us go with a 1-2 ratio. So I want to give more weight to the target variable 1, which is when someone is diabetic. Starting the training process, it will start, and once the training is complete, we will see on the right hand side all the models that have been trained. So we set 3 hyperparameter combinations, and that is why we have 3 different models that have been trained with maximum depth of 4, 8 and 20. And we can see the training and CV metrics here. So you can see the performance for 20, you can see there's a clear overfitting, and 4, 8 is giving you a decent performance, but we can definitely improve on this one using a better model or using more data points. So this was how you can simply implement a decision tree model. Now you can generate the accuracy report for this and save this as a CSV file. Save the model description report for the type of model that for the different model that you want to save, and you can also save the model that you want to save and make predictions on. If you want to know more about how this part works, you can also refer to the specific video on the same. Thank you.